what's going on, y'all, man? This is your boy Visa from Big Doe Entertainment here, sitting with the young, up-and-coming, flyest kid out that that fire, Silento, brother. How you doing, man?
I'm doing fine, man. How you doing?
Ah, man, I'm just blessed to be in your presence, man. You know, this up-and-coming dude, single, hit the charts, been raping dudes for like, what? Only a million weeks. It peaked at what? Number 2, number 1?
Number 3.
Number 3? Who's counting? Number 3 on the Billboard Hot 100s. Nene, dude. Silento, the flyest dude out, man. What's going on, man? What you got going on,
today, man, you know, I came on out Pennsylvania. Kids showed me a lot of love. It was a successful show.
Yeah, man.
You know, I signed autographs, took pictures. We had a great time.
Yeah.
I appreciate you for bringing me out.
Hey, man, I appreciate you for coming, man. What's next, man? What's that new single?
For me, the next one is gonna be, well, right now I got a new song called All About You. For the ladies on my YouTube, Silento TV, make sure you check it out and tell all your friends.
And make sure y'all support this man, man. Y'all gotta support everything that's coming up, man, because good music is hard to find. Y'all, you heard? Silento, where did we start, man? How did you know this song was gonna take over? You just had this feeling that it was a hit?
Yeah, I had a feeling that it was gonna hit the kids.
Mm-hmm.
That was a whole feeling I had.
What was it? That was the target, or no?
No, that was the target. That was it right there.
So you strategized.
Yeah.
Came at him right. Nice, nice. Album. That's the #1 question. Right?
Yeah, my EP coming out in December.
EP.
Yeah,
Tell them throw the plug. Who you signed to and all that.
I'm signed to Capitol Records. Bolo the producer.
Bolo the producer. Shout out to Priest, shout out the whole team, man. You know what I'm saying? That's what we doing, man. Doing big things, man. What's next for Silento after the EP? Any collabos we need to worry about? We need to know about?
I did collaborations with some people from Disney Channel, from Republic Records, Warner Brothers. So soon you're gonna hear a lot of stuff.
Just so you on Sprout, man.
Seeing them all over Nickelodeon.
Yeah,
PBS kids.
Smacking little brats around.
Right?
Yes, I'm at
You attend regular public school?
Public school, 17. I'm a senior in high school. I graduated May the 21st.
That's right. Education is important. That was my key. I wanted to get his conclusion, his answer. Education is key for these kids. And can you give them
I mean, yes, you need education to get where you're going to be at in life. I mean, I got a hit song in high school, but I still got to learn the business. So I still got to go to school. I can't just drop out. I'm not going to drop out. It's just not good.
What do you see yourself at in the next 5 years in this game? Far as like, because not too many people have a single that does so well for them, and then after that they kind of fall off the map. How do you think you're gonna keep yourself relevant after this?
As long as I got internet sensation.
I can't hear you, brother. What you said?
As long as I got internet sensation, I'm fine.
Fine.
Because I can put out anything, as long as the internet jump on it, it's a wrap. Once I get them views on YouTube, it's a wrap.
That's the platform.
Look, he just told y'all he cooking up. Once he just cooked up on y'all real quick. That's the blueprint for it. And he's talented. Don't get it twisted. You can get the YouTube hits, but you gotta be talented. It starts with that, man. Hey, thanks a lot, man. Big Doe Entertainment, iRock Media, man. Silento, man. Bolo Priest, man. I appreciate y'all, man.
No problem, man.
You flashing on y'all real quick,
Silento,
man.
I ain't doing too much flash. It's just a regular G-Shock. Get you one, you feel me?
Now, where we about to go now?
We're finna go to TGI Fridays and have a good time.